In front of me is Xiaomi 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to find safety and emergency. Then tap on emergency contacts. Select add contact and tap on the one that you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones that you need. In order to delete one of them, use this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to change order of your contacts, hit reorder at the top right corner, hold the chosen one and drag it to place it wherever you want to. To save your changes, hit save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!